everyone, welcome to the online course Stylistics. That is the second part of our lecture. Syntactical stylistics, syntactical expressive means and stylistic devices. You remember that we discussed what the inversion is, we discussed the types, highlighted the types like full and complete, partial. Also we talked about parallelism and discussed its types like full and complete, partial, reversed, chiasmus, parallelism and its types full, complete, partial, reversed, chiasmus with examples. Okay, and also we highlighted the difference between chiasmus and antimetable, repetitions. And here we stopped, antithesis and juxtaposition. Antithesis, a figure of speech in which irreconcilable opposites or strongly contrasting ideas are placed in sharp juxtaposition and sustained tension. Art is long and time is fleeting. Juxtaposition can involve such oppositional things, but also can involve the contrast of more complicated things like two characters or themes. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Okay, polysyndeton and asyndeton. Polysyndeton is a stylistic device in which several coordinating conjunctions are used in succession in order to achieve an artistic effect. Conjunctions are the following: with and but. Asyndeton is a stylistic device used in literature and poetry to intentionally eliminate conjunctions between the phrases and in the sentence, yet maintain grammatical accuracy. So I've crossed out the conjunctions with and but for better understanding. Okay, next, enumeration and climax. Enumeration, a rhetorical device that occurs when a writer chooses to list out items, events, ideas, or other parts of a story setting. Enumeration can be used to break down arguments, conflicts, and phrases. For example, the days of the week can be defined as an enumeration and used anywhere in the program. Climax means that words are ordered by increasing importance. For example, when it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I conquered. Okay, good. Syntactical stylistic devices. The detailed scheme is given deliberately for your individual study. Please have a look and write down all the necessary things here, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate and write in the chat. Okay, very good, Grafan. The intentional violation of the graphical shape of a word or word combination used to reflect its authentic pronunciation. Have a look, I deliberately write down it like that in a strange manner. Graphical. Graphan means graphical mean. Okay, graphical means used in stylistics to emphasize the unheard phonetic characteristics, the pitch of the voice, the stress, and other melodic features. Punctuation marks, a series of dots, dashes, exclamation, and question marks, spacing of the graphemes. Okay, have a look. Multiplication, large, a lower of A's, hyphenation, alone, capitalization, help, yeah, kind of when a person is crying. Different types of print, bold type or italics, just the most popular things to hook your attention just in writing. A specific arrangement of printed materials. It's more about maybe postmodern literature. Okay, phonetic expressive means and stylistic devices, onomatopoeia, sound imitation, alliteration, assonance, rhythm, rhyme, euphony, cacophony. Onomatopoeia is a process of creating a word that phonetically imitates, resembles, or suggests the sound that it describes, like machine noises, animal names, impact sounds, sound of the voice, so on and so forth. You remember how little children try to imitate how, for example, a dog barks, a cat mews. It's kind of example, a good example of onomatopoeia. Have a look. Very interesting writing. Yeah? Spelling. Alliteration is a repetition of an initial consonant sound in words that are in close proximity to each other. Have a look. Examples. A given, very interesting one. Just you are to find consonant sound that is repeated, like killer, kangaroos, kick, koalas. You see, a lot of keys. Sorry. Poppy, platypuses, like p here, yeah. Kind, kin, koalas, kick, kites. Okay. Rhyme and rhythm. Rhyme is the correspondence of sound between words, especially when these are used at the ends of lines of poetry. Assonance is a rhyme, the identity of which depends merely on the vowel sounds. Rhythm is the measured flow of words and phrases as measured by the relation of long and short or stressed and understressed syllables. Okay, have a look. Different types. Take your time and write down all the types of rhyme and rhythm. It's very important and interesting. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to write your questions in the chat, and I'll be glad, or maybe guys in our group will be glad to answer you. Thank you for your attention, and congratulations, you finished the fourth lecture. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Bye.